Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you use Hubspot for scheduling calls, today's video is your ultimate 2025 guide to setting up a meeting link in Hubspot, step by step. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a professional, shareable meeting link, ready to send to clients, teammates, or prospects. Let's jump right in. First, open your browser and head over to www.hubspot.com. At the top right corner, click on the Login button. Enter your HubSpot email and password, then hit Log In. Once you're in, you'll land on your HubSpot home dashboard. From the dashboard, look for the Sales option in the main menu or sidebar. This is where HubSpot stores tools and assets you can use, including the meeting scheduler we need. Click on to access it. Locate the meeting scheduler. Inside the Sales, find the meeting scheduler. This is the hub for creating and managing all your meeting links. Go ahead and click it to open the scheduler. Create or select a meeting. If you've already created a meeting link before, you can simply select it from your list. But if this is your first time, click Create New Meeting. Give your meeting a clear name like Intro Call or Client Review Session. Set your preferred date, time availability, and time zone. Double-check all the details to make sure they match your schedule. Accuracy here saves a lot of rescheduling headaches later. Once your meeting details are ready, look for the Copy Link option. Click it, and HubSpot will copy the unique meeting link straight to your clipboard. No extra steps needed. Now you're ready to share. Paste the link into an email, text, Slack message, or even embed it in a website. Anyone who clicks the link can view your available times and book a meeting directly without endless back and forth. And that's it. In just a few minutes, you've set up a professional, shareable HubSpot meeting link for 2025 and beyond. If this guide helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more easy tutorials, and drop a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and happy scheduling.